Good morning, guys. How are you? How are you today? I'm about to take you guys on a chemical equation. So I want to use algebraic method to solve it for you guys. Very easy. Because when you were in school, you were taught trial and errors. That normally give you guys headache. But this algebraic method is straight and simple, and you just go straight to the point. But you have to be attentive. Now let's start. Now this is a compound. This is aluminium triazocarbonate 5 reacting with hydrogen tetraphosphate to give aluminium tetraphosphate plus carbon 4 oxide and water. So this is reactant, this is product. So in order for you to solve it algebraically, you represent each compound with a letter. Now let's start. Put letter A here, put letter B, put letter C, put letter D, put letter E. Now in each compound, we have players. So you now write each players out, starting with aluminium, followed by carbon, followed by oxygen, followed by hydrogen, followed by phosphorus. So these are the players. So you now go to the compound A. In the first compound, we have 2 atoms of aluminium. So you now multiply the subscript with A. So you have 2A. Now in the reactant side, we don't have any aluminium again. So you move to the product side, which is 1. So you multiply 1 times C, which is equal to C, because this arrow signifies C. So you move to the second compound, the second player in the first compound, which is carbon. We have, if you look at this bracket, we have 3 outside the bracket. So 3 multiplied by C, you have 3C. But you use letter A because you are using it as unknown. So it will be 3A equals, now in the product side, we have 1 carbon. So 1 times D is equals to D. Now the next player is oxygen. Oxygen is 9. 3 times 3 is 9. So we put 9A. Still in the reactant side, 4 atoms of oxygen plus 4B equals 4 atoms of oxygen, 4C, 2 atoms of oxygen plus 2D, 1 atom of oxygen plus E. Then hydrogen, we have 3B, then 3B, I think we have 1 hydrogen here, no, 2 is equals to 2E. Then phosphorus, in the reactant side, we have 1, it will be B is equals to, in the product side we also have 1, B is equals to C. Now having done that, you now look at the first compound. What can you do to get A? What can you do to get B or C or D or E? So all you have to do, look at this first equation, 2A is equals to C, meaning we need 2A to get C, and we need 3A's to get D. So if you look at it fractionally, 2 and 3, which one is the smallest? So you have to use the smallest number to determine for the first value A. So what is the smallest number here now? Is it 2 or 3? I think it's 3. So we have to use 3. So we now say put A to be 1. Now we are putting A to be 1. We are using this equation 2 because in this equation 2, A is the smallest. So we cannot use 2. 2 is greater than 3. So therefore we have to use this. So we have A to be 1. Since we have gotten A, we can get C. Because we have 2A is equals to C. So you can say, let's divide the board so that it will be enough. So you can now say put A, which is 1, you can say, okay, 2A is equals to C. So 2 times 1 is equal to C. So definitely C is 2. Now we have gotten C. Then we can also move to D. 3A is equals to D. So 3 times 1 is equals to D. So 3 is equals to D. Did you see that? So we have gotten A to be 1, and we have gotten C to be 2, and we have gotten D to be 3. So we need B. Or we need, so but here, we have B is equals to C already. B is equals to C. B is equals to C. Did you see? And we have gotten C to be 2. So definitely B is equals to 2. So B is equals to 2 as well. Then we need letter E. We have 3B is equals to 2E. Already we have gotten B to be 2, so it will be 3 times 2 is equals to 2E. 6 is equals to 2E. Divide both sides by 2 to get 3 is equals to E. So letter E is equals to 3. Did we say that? As simple as that. So we have gotten our subscript or the coefficient of each compound in these chemical reactions to be 1, 2, 3, 2, 3. So wherever you see the letters, you put 1, 2, 3. You replace the letters with the number. That is what is called algebraic method. So you now go back. A is 1, so you don't need it. It's like we have an invisible 1 here. Then we have C to be 2. You put 2 here. Then D is 3. You put 3 here. B is 2. You put 2 here. Then E is 3. You put 3 here. So the equation is now balanced. Did you see that? As simple as that. So, till I come your way again, I still remain Shola Abiodun. So I advise you guys to remain scientifically inclined.